Hello everyone. Welcome back to Hack and Code Pro. In today's video, we are going to discuss one of the most demanded and misunderstood fields in technology, and that is ethical hacking. This video is created only for educational purposes. What is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is the process of legally testing computer systems, networks, and applications to find security weaknesses. An ethical hacker is a cybersecurity professional who is officially allowed to hack systems in order to protect them from real cybercriminals. Ethical hackers use the same tools and techniques as hackers, but the difference is permission and intention. Why ethical hacking is important. In today's digital world, almost everything is online. Banks, hospitals, businesses, and even governments rely on computer systems. Cyber attacks are increasing every day. Hackers try to steal data, money, and private information. Ethical hackers help organizations by finding vulnerabilities, preventing data breaches, securing user information, protecting national infrastructure. Without ethical hackers, digital systems would be extremely unsafe. Types of hackers. There are mainly three types of hackers. First, white hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who work legally and protect systems. Second, black hat hackers. These hackers break into systems illegally to steal data or money. Third, gray hat hackers. They are somewhere in between, sometimes legal, sometimes illegal. In this channel, Hack and Code Pro, we focus only on white hat ethical hacking. Skills required to become an ethical hacker. To become an ethical hacker, you need to follow a proper learning path. 1. Computer basics. You must understand how computers work, operating systems, files, and permissions, hardware basics. 2. Networking. Networking is the backbone of hacking. You must learn IP addresses, DNS, TCP, and UDP ports and firewalls. 3. Linux operating system. Most hacking tools run on Linux, especially Kali Linux. You should be comfortable with terminal commands, file permissions, process management. 4. Programming basics. You don't need to be a software engineer, but basic coding is important. Recommended languages: Python, JavaScript, SQL, Bash scripting, cybersecurity, fundamentals. Ethical hacking is not about random attacks. It is about understanding security concepts. You must learn confidentiality, integrity, and availability, encryption and hashing, authentication and authorization, OWASP, top 10 vulnerabilities. Web application hacking. Most attacks today happen on websites. Ethical hackers test websites for vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site, scripting, CSRF, file upload, vulnerabilities, broken authentication. All testing must be done on legal practice platforms only. Ethical hacking tools. Ethical hackers use professional tools such as Nmap for scanning, Burp Suite for web testing, Metasploit for penetration testing, Wireshark for network analysis. Remember, tools are only effective if you understand how systems work. Practice platforms, legal only. Never hack real websites. Practice on legal platforms like TryHackMe Hack, The Box, Portswigger Web Security Academy. Practice is the most important part of ethical hacking. Certifications, optional. Certifications are not mandatory, but they help. CEH security plus OSCP skills matter more than certificates. Career in ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is a high-demand career. Job roles include ethical hacker penetration tester, SOC, analyst, cybersecurity analyst. This field offers good salary, global opportunities, remote work. Is ethical hacking legal? Yes. Ethical hacking is 100% legal when done with permission. Hacking without permission is illegal and punishable by law. Always follow ethics and laws. Final message. Ethical hacking is not about crime. It is about learning security and protecting systems. If you are serious, stay consistent, practice daily, and keep learning. This channel, Hack and Code Pro, is dedicated to ethical hacking and coding education. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Hack and Code Pro. See you in the next video.